Hey guys, I'm very excited today because I just received a package from Samsung. It's the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I'm a long-term iPhone user, but I have always been interested in these folding phones, so I wanted to give this one a try. So I'll give you my initial impressions after I set this up, but first let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, this is the phone. As you can see, it comes in a really thin box, but it's a really nice looking box with two-tone black color with a bit of shiny and a matte part. Anyway, let's open this box. Here's the phone, and there's same tool here and some manual and the cable as well. Quick start guide and no charger. Let's open the phone. Okay, let's turn this phone on. While it turns on and does its initial setup, let me show you the free stuff I received. It's the starter pack. It includes a case, an S Pen, and a fast charger. Let's open this as well. Wow, the case looks very nice actually, and it has this place for storing your S Pen, and the S Pen is included in this, and there is this 25-watt fast charger. Along with this free stuff, I also received a 2-year free damage cover and 1-year Samsung Care Plus. Let's put the phone in the case and see how it looks. Yeah, not bad. Okay guys, I have set this up now, but before I go in details, let me talk about the color. I ordered phantom green, but it looks kind of black. It's very subtle green that will show up only in certain lighting conditions, otherwise it will look black. Anyway, so if I the first thing I noticed about this as I was setting it up is the split keyboard. It's actually really nice, and you can type really fast on it. The other thing I noticed is that in-display camera, that one up there. Normally when you're using it, it's not even visible. However, if you use the camera app, then only then you will be able to see it. It's only 4 megapixel, but it doesn't really matter. The other thing is the form factor, the size. I really like the size of this thing. If you look at the iPhone 12 Pro Max, look at the size. It's not that much bigger than that, even folded. So, and also when you're using it unfolded, it looks really nice. It feels really nice when you're holding it, and you can use both of your thumbs, and so you can type really fast. Also, I noticed this really nice display because it's 120 Hz, and if you scroll it, it's just smooth and nice and smooth. Even the outside display is 120 Hz now, so it's all really good. One thing I was concerned about before I bought this is the ridge line in the middle, but after using it for a few minutes, I can tell you it's really not noticeable. I actually even forgot about this line. It's so subtle, it's so nice. Also, now you can use this S Pen with the phone, and it feels really nice on this display. It actually makes a noise of as if you're doing this on a paper, so it is nice. Overall, I really like this phone, so I think I'm gonna keep it for now, and I'm gonna do some more tests on it, and then I'm gonna do a proper review, and then I'll make another video and upload it soon. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.